Okay, so today we will present our memes about vernacular architecture, for major style of architecture, perfect home, eco-friendly material, and all places. First, vernacular architecture will be presented by Arin.
Okay, the first memes is a vernacular architecture. Background of the memes we made is the rapid development of technology, so that vernacular architecture is rarely used. Everyone is more interested in more modern architecture design. Uh, Vernacular architecture is made by utilizing materials around the environment, so that it is environmentally friendly and looks one with the natural surroundings. Message and purpose of the memes uh, is to convey that we should study vernacular architecture and develop it, not leave a vernacular architecture and just create a very modern architectural design. Uh, Now it is very rare to find learning about vernacular architecture. In fact, what is very much studies in modern architecture. Next.
Okay, next, the second memes. It's about major of architecture. The background is, along with the times, nowadays, modern buildings are more and more in demand by the public without us knowing it. Traditional buildings are starting to be forgotten because they are considered ancient. As we see in big cities, traditional buildings seem to have been negated by emergence of modern buildings. So the purpose of memes is traditional buildings are buildings designed by a very interesting method. We can see on the facade of the building, which is magnificent and attractive. The traditional buildings has a strong structure, and so that the building is more resistant to the surrounding climate. This is the reason why the traditional buildings are still standing strong today. So, modern buildings that exist today are part of the development of traditional buildings, so we need to appreciate this beautiful work. Next.
Okay, the third memes about the perfect home article. Background of the memes in making a designs. Sometimes designer do not attention to client wants and needs. They make more design that they think are beautiful to compete with other designer to prove their prowess. The buildings with only attention to visual aspect without taking into account the comfort of the client who will be house owner. Message and purpose of the memes is as an architecture or designer, it is better if in designing a build, the first thing to pay attention to is the client. Architect need to pay attention to whether the design meets the criteria desired by the client. They need to know that everyone has a different character. They need to know that everyone has their own perfect home. Next.
Okay, next. The fourth memes. It's about eco-friendly materials. So, what the background of these memes is, at this time people are more interested in modern building designs that look attractive but In fact, the building used material that can damage the environment, cannot be recycled, and cause global warming. They consider buildings made of natural material such as bamboo, wood, and other materials to be buildings with low selling value and have no attractiveness. The message of these memes is buildings that use eco-friendly materials are no less interesting than modern buildings that use man-made materials. In addition to attracting buildings with eco-friendly materials, it can reduce environmental damage and minimize global warming. Next, the the last memes is about old places. The background of these memes is the rampant clearing of new land for development, which means that the ability of nature is getting less and less due to humans themselves. Even though the impact of natural damage is human themselves. Humans are not aware that clearing new land for development will be very detrimental to other living things and humans themselves. Arin, mikrofonmu mute.
The message and purpose of the message is to convey that to build we should not open new land but reuse land from old buildings that are no longer used so that the availability of nature doesn't decrease and nature is not damaged.
Okay, thank you for attention. Bye.